Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve one of the most annoying issues, that is story music not available or working on Instagram. Many users have reported about this error, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Instagram story music not available on Android with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Instagram app and device. Since the issue is related to apps, so the first thing you need to do to resolve this issue is relaunching the Instagram app. So, give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the error or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. This can help in fixing Instagram music not available or working problem. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Most probably Instagram music or video not working due to weak internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then fix it by trying some basic tips like: turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 3. Re-log in your Instagram account. Several users have found that logging out from their Instagram account and logging in back into it usually helps to fix various Instagram glitches, including Instagram story music not available. So, you have to do the same thing to solve this problem. For this, you have to open your Instagram profile page by clicking on the profile icon. Then, make a tap on the menu icon, which is located in the top right corner. From here, you need to choose the settings. Then, scroll down and hit the logout option. After some time, again open the app and re-log into your Instagram account. Now check if you can hear Instagram story music. Solution 4. Clear Instagram app cache and data. Whenever you come across app crashing, freezing or any errors on your phone, then once you should clear cache and data of that particular app. The same thing goes for Instagram as well. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Instagram. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 5. Update Instagram app. Sometimes an outdated version of Instagram app can cause a problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. To do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the Instagram and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the Instagram app, which pops you this error message, and launch it again to check for the problem. Solution 6. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram app. When you're using your Instagram app, the more you use it, the more bits of data and files will be on your device. Over time and through phone and app updates, things tend to get a bit messy and links can break, and files can go missing, which causes Instagram app related issues. To give yourself a clean start, you can reinstall the app from the Google Play Store, giving you a fresh installation to start again while clearing any potential bugs you may have been experiencing. To uninstall the app, find the Instagram app on your device's home screen, and long press on it, then tap Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Instagram app. Go to Google Play Store, and type Instagram in search box. Click on Instagram and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. At this time, open the app and see whether Instagram story music is now working or not. So, this is all about fixing Instagram Music not working on Android. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.